All right, hi there ladies. This is our second dance for Tuesday 525 Wildside. So, in this one, we have all of our ladies lined up in the back, and we are divided into groups 1 and 2. So our order, going from left to right, goes Mika, then we have Lila, then we have Maggie, Lucy, Catherine, and then Bella. Alrighty, ladies, so you're going to need to remember if you're in group 1 or group 2. In group 1 is Mika, Emma, Maggie, and Bella. In group 2, it is Lila, Lucy, and Catherine. So remember, we're all standing here. We're waiting for the music to start. We all have our little penguin hands. Group 1, you go right away. The minute the music starts, you march forward, and you put your hands on your hips. Group 2, you're going to wait till the count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, while the group is going up. Then group 2, you're going to walk up into your places. Walk, 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 and you ladies cross your arms. Alrighty? Then there's another partner dance where we sort of have a little bit of a formation change. So, in our dance, when we go 1, 2, 3, 4, that 4 count, my number 1 girls, you march back for 4. You march back for 4. My group 1 girls, you're going to march back for 4. Then my group 2 girls, you're going to stay in your places and you're going to make that tiny little walk around your dot for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after that, we have group 1. When we all put our hands out to the side, group 1, you're looking at my blue curtains. Group 2, you have your hands out and you're looking out the windows. Then, as we're still in these divided areas, we're going to switch things around. Remember when we switched this? Now group 2 is going to be the first ones to go. This is when you kind of do your little separate movements. So group 2, you're up here in the front. You're going to go first. So this is when we reach our hands up. We come all the way down. Then we make that big rainbow. Cross our arms in front of us. Put it out and down. And you're going to hold right there. Then group 1, it's your turn. You're going to go second this time. You're back here. You've waited while group 2 has done their little thing. Then group 1 is going to go. You're going to break it, come up, all the way down. They're going to say light the fuse. You're going to look up, stretch those hands out, then come down. Then all of my ladies are going to stand up. Group 2, you're going to stay right where you are. You're going to cross those hands over your heart. Then group 1 ladies, once we stood up, you're going to cross your wrists. Remember, the music has changed, so we're going to walk nice and slow. Then we're going to look. We're going to look very, very graceful. All of my ladies are looking at the white cabinets. Then we're going to go give ourselves a hug. Music is still very soft, so we're going to go and bop our shoulders. Then when the music changes, we're going to pop our hands down, and we're going to walk all